New just listed home, 36027 Deer Creek Drive, Unit 201, Zephyrhills, Florida, by Oleg Shipitsin and Joel Colley from the military veteran team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home offers a spacious 1,149 square feet of charming living space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the bright living room is spacious and offers a cozy atmosphere. Seamlessly connected, the kitchen serves as the heart of the home, offering ample counter space, clean lines, and a thoughtful layout perfect for culinary creativity. The layout hosts a generous primary suite with a private bath, and second bedroom could also be used as a home office. These are served by 2 full bathrooms featuring a clean and simple design. The residence is completed by a convenient laundry area. This gem won't last long. Act now.